Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Learn Arabic grammar the easy way. We will study the verb istaghfara. In the Quran, you have almost 400 times this verb is used, and the verbs are shown here in cloud figure. The cloud figure shows, the words in a way that the more the word occurs, the bigger the size is. So the bigger words are those which occur more in the Quran. For example, istakbara, istaghfara, istata'a, and so on. Remember, we are learning the verbs which have extra letters in their 3-letter root, from alima to allama or salima to aslama, and so on. These are called mazid fihi verbs. In Arabic, there are 14 styles, and we are learning the most common 5 of them. And these 5 mazid fi occur in the Quran 8,200 times, that is almost once in every line. And if you memorize 2 sentences, you can get hold of these 5 mazid fi very easily. So can you repeat after me? Ta'aleem and muhasaba are very important in Islam.
Ta'aleem and muhasaba are very important in Islam.
Allama, hasaba, aslama.
Allama, hasaba, aslama.
Don't waste your time in ikhtilaf, use it in istighfar.
Don't waste your time in ikhtilaf, use it in istighfar.
Ikhtalafa, istaghfara.
Ikhtalafa, istaghfara.
So you have 5 names of actions or verbal nouns: ta'aleem, muhasaba, islam, ikhtilaf, istighfar, and 5 madi keys, of verb keys: allama, hasaba, aslama, ikhtalafa, istaghfara. And you know the verb codes. For fataha, nasara, daraba, sami'a, you have single letters, fa, nun, dad, sin. And for weak letters, we have double letter codes. For example, wa'a for wa'ada, qa for qala, za for zada, da'a for da'a, and so on. And for mazid fi, the code is 2 letters and a plus sign. Like ayn lam plus means allama, ha plus means hasaba, and so on. Now we will take a new type of mazid fi, which is istaghfara. You see here, this is from ghafara. Ghafara, istaghfara. So hamza, sin, ta, ista is added there in the beginning. Istaghfara means he asked for forgiveness. And the madi forms are made just like fa'ala, fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta, fa'altu, fa'altu, fa'alna. So all you have to do is that ista, the prefix, has to be dragged in all the forms. So istaghfara, istaghfaru, istaghfarta, istaghfartu, istaghfartum, istaghfarna. Very simple. So can you translate with actions, please? Bismillah. Istaghfara,
He asked for forgiveness.
Istaghfaru, they asked for forgiveness. Istaghfarta,
You asked for forgiveness.
Istaghfartu,
I asked for forgiveness.
Istaghfartum,
You all asked for forgiveness.
Istaghfarna,
We asked for forgiveness.
MashaAllah. Can you repeat after me 2 times? Istaghfara, istaghfaru.
Istaghfara, istaghfaru, istaghfara, istaghfaru.
Istaghfarta, istaghfartu.
Istaghfarta, istaghfartu. Istaghfarta, istaghfartu.
Istaghfartum, istaghfarna.
Istaghfartum, istaghfarna. Istaghfartum, istaghfarna.
Okay, repeat with me 2 times. Bismillah. Istaghfara, istaghfaru, istaghfarta, istaghfartu, istaghfartum, istaghfarna. Once more. Istaghfara, istaghfaru, istaghfarta, istaghfartu, istaghfartum, istaghfarna. MashaAllah. Alim. Alright, let's take spoken Arabic. All of us ask for forgiveness. Ask Allah for forgiveness. So let us answer it in yes. So I will say, Hal istaghfara, did he ask for forgiveness? You say, Na'am istaghfara. Hal istaghfaru? Na'am istaghfaru. Okay, answer me. Hal istaghfara?
Na'am istaghfara.
Hal istaghfaru?
Na'am istaghfaru.
Again, Hal istaghfara?
نعم استغفر.
هل استغفروا؟
نعم استغفروا.
علم. Okay, between you and me, هل استغفرت? Did you ask for forgiveness? I mean, did you ask Allah for forgiveness? Allah is understood here. نعم استغفرت. Yes, I asked. هل استغفرتم؟ نعم استغفرنا. Answer me. هل استغفرت؟
نعم استغفرت.
هل استغفرتم؟
نعم استغفرنا.
Once again, هل استغفرت؟
نعم استغفرت.
هل استغفرتم؟
نعم استغفرنا.
علم. Now we will add من كل ذنب. These letters, I mean this phrase, from every sin. Min means from, كل every, ذنب sin. من كل ذنب, from every sin. So I'm asking, هل استغفر? Did he ask for forgiveness? من كل ذنب, from every sin or for every sin? You will say نعم استغفر من كل ذنب. With استغفر we use the preposition min. استغفر min, he asked for forgiveness for every sin. Anyway, just add min kulli dham in questions and answers. So answer me. هل استغفر من كل ذنب؟
نعم استغفر من كل ذنب.
هل استغفروا من كل ذنب؟
نعم استغفروا من كل ذنب.
علم. Same thing for you and me. هل استغفرت من كل ذنب؟
نعم استغفرت من كل ذنب.
هل استغفرتم من كل ذنب؟
نعم استغفرنا من كل ذنب.
علم. Alhamdulillah. Now let's take فعل مضارع. Just like we have اختلف يختلف, we have استغفر يستغفر. Okay? Only in the first three مزيد فيه you have you. علم يعلم. حاسب يحاسب. أسلم يسلم. Only in three you. After that it is all ya. Everywhere. You know, whether in فتح يفتح or دعا يدعو قال يقول. Only in the first three mazid fi you have three mazid fi. In first three mazid fi you have you, but rest or in rest of the forms, whether they are three-letter sound verbs or three-letter weak verbs, or here it will be ya. استغفر يستغفر. يستغفر, he asked for forgiveness. Now, just like يفعل يفعلون تفعل يفعلون تفعلون نفعل, you just follow the same formula here. يستغفر يستغفرون تستغفر أستغفر تستغفرون نستغفر. Alright, can you translate with actions? يستغفر,
he asks for forgiveness.
يستغفرون,
they ask for forgiveness.
تستغفر,
you ask for forgiveness.
أستغفر,
I ask for forgiveness.
تستغفرون,
you all ask for forgiveness.
نستغفر,
we ask for forgiveness.
Alright, repeat after me 2 times. يستغفر يستغفرون.
يستغفر يستغفرون. يستغفر يستغفرون.
تستغفر أستغفر.
تستغفر أستغفر. تستغفر أستغفر.
تستغفرون نستغفر.
تستغفرون نستغفر. تستغفرون نستغفر.
Okay, can you repeat with me? Bismillah. يستغفر يستغفرون. تستغفر أستغفر. تستغفرون نستغفر. Once again. يستغفر يستغفرون. تستغفر أستغفر. تستغفرون نستغفر. علم. Alright, let's take spoken Arabic. Does he seek forgiveness? هل يستغفر? We'll say yes. نعم يستغفر. هل يستغفرون? نعم يستغفرون. Okay, answer me. هل يستغفر؟
نعم يستغفر.
هل يستغفرون؟
نعم يستغفرون.
Once again, هل يستغفر؟
نعم يستغفر.
هل يستغفرون؟
نعم يستغفرون.
علم. Alright, do you seek forgiveness? Forgiveness from Allah. هل تستغفر? I will say نعم أستغفر. هل تستغفرون؟ نعم نستغفر. Answer me. هل تستغفر؟
نعم أستغفر.
هل تستغفرون؟
نعم نستغفر.
Once again, هل تستغفروا؟
نعم أستغفر.
هل تستغفرون؟
نعم نستغفر.
علم. Alright, let's add a word ربه. هل يستغفر? Does he ask for forgiveness? Who does he ask? ربه, his Rabb. Because Rabba, it's not Rabbuhu, it's Rabbahu, because the word Rabba is object here. So that's why it is Rabbahu. But you just use Rabbahu, Rabbahu, Rabbahum for plural, Rabbahum. هل يستغفرون ربهم? نعم يستغفرون ربهم. Do they seek forgiveness from their Rabb? Yes, they seek forgiveness from their Rabb. So answer me. هل يستغفر ربه؟
نعم يستغفر ربه.
هل يستغفرون ربهم؟
نعم يستغفرون ربهم.
Once again, هل يستغفر ربه؟
نعم يستغفر ربه.
هل يستغفرون ربهم؟
نعم يستغفرون ربهم.
علم. Now, do you seek forgiveness from your Rabb? So there are double switches here. هل تستغفر ربك? So you will say, نعم أستغفر. I ask forgiveness from Rabbi. So تستغفر ربك will become أستغفر ربي. Right? Similarly, هل تستغفرون ربكم? So the answer will be نعم نستغفر ربنا. Okay? So double switches. So that's an extra exercise for you, and inshallah by this time you should be able to do these double switches also. Inshallah, just practice. Answer me. هل تستغفر ربك؟
نعم أستغفر ربي.
هل تستغفرون ربكم؟
نعم نستغفر ربنا.
Once again, هل تستغفر ربك؟
نعم أستغفر ربي.
هل تستغفرون ربكم؟
نعم نستغفر ربنا.
ما شاء الله. علم. Alhamdulillah. Now let us take Amr. Amr is very easy in all Mazid fi. It's the same formula. Put sukoon on the last letter and kasra before it. So from allama, allim. Hasaba, hasib. Aslama, aslim. Ikhtalafa, ikhtalif. So istaghfara, istaghfir. Okay, seek forgiveness. Ask for forgiveness. Istaghfiru is plural. La tastaghfir, la tastaghfiru are for prohibition. So, can you translate with actions? Istaghfir,
Ask for forgiveness.
Istaghfiru,
Ask for forgiveness.
La tastaghfir,
Don't ask for forgiveness.
La tastaghfiru,
Don't ask for forgiveness.
MashaAllah. Repeat after me 2 times. Istaghfir, istaghfiru.
استغفر استغفروا استغفر استغفروا.
لا تستغفر لا تستغفروا.
لا تستغفر لا تستغفروا. لا تستغفر لا تستغفروا.
Okay, with me. Bismillah.
استغفر استغفروا. لا تستغفر لا تستغفروا.
Once again.
استغفر استغفروا. لا تستغفر لا تستغفروا.
علم. All right. Can you answer? I say astaghfir, seek forgiveness, meaning from Allah. So how will you answer? Astaghfiru, I ask for forgiveness, or I will ask for forgiveness. Astaghfiru, so you will say nastaghfiru. Answer me. Astaghfir.
أستغفر.
Astaghfiru.
نستغفر.
Again, astaghfir.
استغفر.
Astaghfiru.
نستغفر.
علم. Alright, we just add a word there, an object, istaghfir, seek forgiveness. From who? From Allah. So the word Allah will be here, Allah, because the word Allah is object. I ask Allah for forgiveness. This is what it means. Alright, so answer me. Istaghfir, Allah.
أستغفر الله.
Istaghfiru, Allah.
نستغفر الله.
Once again, istaghfir, Allah.
أستغفر الله.
استغفروا الله.
نستغفر الله.
علم. Alhamdulillah. Now we talk of fa'il and maf'ul. Fa'il and maf'ul in mazid fi is very easy. Put mu, mim with dhamma, mu on the mouth of madi ki. Mouth, madi, mouth, mu on the mouth of madi ki. So istaghfara, it will be mustaghfir. The hamza will go, that is temporary hamza. So mustaghfir, mustaghfar. Okay. Just like allama, muallim, muallam. Hasaba, muhasib, muhasab. Aslama, muslim, muslam. Ikhtalafa, mukhtalif, mukhtalaf. So istaghfara, mustaghfir, mustaghfar. Mustaghfir, the one who asks for forgiveness, and mustaghfar, the one who is asked for forgiveness. And istighfar is to ask for forgiveness, and we know it very well. We say Allahumma astaghfirullah rabbi min kulli dhanbi wa atubu ilayhi, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah. That is istighfar. Okay, and we learned that in our two sentences also. Two sentences, tasbih and muhasaba, are from basics of Islam. And don't waste your time in ikhtilaf. Use it in istighfar. All right, can you translate mustaghfir?
The one who asks for forgiveness.
Mustaghfar,
One who is asked for forgiveness.
And istighfar,
To ask for forgiveness.
Okay, repeat after me 2 times. Mustaghfir, mustaghfar, istighfar.
Mustaghfir, mustaghfar, istighfar. Mustaghfir, mustaghfar, istighfar.
Okay, with me please. Bismillah.
Mustaghfir, mustaghfar, istighfar. Mustaghfir, mustaghfar, istighfar.
Alim. Alright, spoken Arabic. Hal anta mustaghfir? Are you the one who is seeking forgiveness? Hal antum mustaghfirun? Naam, nahnu mustaghfirun. Answer me. Hal anta mustaghfir?
نعم أنا مستغفر.
هل أنتم مستغفرون؟
نعم نحن مستغفرون.
Again, هل أنت مستغفر؟
نعم أنا مستغفر.
هل أنتم مستغفرون؟
نعم نحن مستغفرون.
علم. Now we are left with 2 forms. هو فعل, هي فعلت. So هو استغفر, هي استغفرت. She asked for forgiveness. And هو يستغفر, هي تستغفر. She asks for forgiveness. Alright, answer me. هو استغفر, هي
استغفرت.
هو يستغفر, هي
تستغفر.
Once again, هو استغفر, هي
استغفرت.
هو يستغفر, هي
تستغفر.
علم. Now we have the table. So let us repeat the whole table. Can you repeat with me? Bismillah. استغفر, استغفروا, استغفرت, استغفرت, استغفرتم, استغفرنا. يستغفر, يستغفرون, تستغفر, أستغفر, تستغفرون, نستغفر. استغفر, استغفروا, لا تستغفر, لا تستغفروا. مستغفر, مستغفر, استغفار. And the last 2.
استغفرت, تستغفر.
علم. So we have the 6 keys also ready. 3 verb keys and 3 noun keys. Can you repeat after me? استغفر, يستغفر, استغفر.
استغفر, يستغفر, استغفر.
مستغفر, مستغفر, استغفار.
مستغفر, مستغفر, استغفار.
Can you repeat with me?
استغفر, يستغفر, استغفر. مستغفر, مستغفر, استغفار.
علم. So let us repeat the mazid fi that we have learned so far. Can you do these with me? Start. Bismillah. بتعلم. Bismillah.
علم, يعلم, علم. معلم, معلم, تعليم.
حاسب.
حاسب, يحاسب, حاسب. محاسب, محاسب, محاسبة.
أسلم.
أسلم, يسلم, أسلم. مسلم, مسلم, إسلام.
اختلف.
اختلف يختلف اختلف مختلف مختلف اختلاف.
And the one we learned today, استغفر. استغفر يستغفر استغفر مستغفر مستغفر استغفار. So as you see, Mazid fi is very easy. So much structure is there, from allama, yu'allim, hasaba, yuhasib, and so on. The structure is very, very, organized there. So memorize the table for istaghfara and answer the questions, and also learn another verb which is istakbara, which means he was arrogant, he behaved arrogantly, that is istakbara. So fill up the table for istakbara. I just say it very fast. استكبر استكبروا استكبرت استكبرت استكبرتم استكبرنا يستكبروا يستكبرون تستكبروا استكبروا تستكبرون نستكبروا استكبر استكبروا لا تستكبر لا تستكبروا مستكبر مستكبر استكبار استكبرت تستكبروا. May Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids, and a teacher's resource center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum